Good morning, I'm Jeff O'Neill with Affordable Fence and Gates. Wanted to take a couple minutes to show you a typical ornamental iron pool fence installation. This is for a new pool construction. This job was done yesterday. It's a typical installation, about 120 linear feet, completely surrounds the pool. Ornamental iron. This particular job, we curved it to follow the deck. One gate, it's the gate here. Self-closing, swings away from the pool, does include a Magna Latch. All of our pool gates include a Magna Latch. It's the safest thing out there. It's definitely the best way to go on a pool fence. This fence is 4 foot tall. In Oro Valley, what that means is the pickets are 48 inches. The rails are 1 inch top and bottom, and typically 2 inches underneath. That gives us an installed height of 52 inches. The latch is at 54 inches. Operate the Magna Latch, you pull the pin up, open the gate. This has a shielded metal magnet. When it closes, it pulls a pin down into it, securing the gate. Has its own built-in lock and key. Key's pulled, can't access the gate. I'm going to take a minute and get a close-up showing the construction of the fence. If you'll notice, all the caps on our fencing and gates are pressed steel caps. A lot of people use the plastic caps, which tend to deteriorate over time. Also, they do not hold the paint very well. The paint tends to flake off, leaving a difference between your caps and the gates. When the posts are set in concrete, holes are dug 20 to 24 inches deep, concrete is poured, and then the dirt is backfilled around them. If you notice here, we've radiused to match with the deck. You might notice there's wood blocks underneath the fence. We leave those to a day or so until the concrete dries, then we stop back and pick them up. Again, this is a view from the inside of the fence. This is going to be a view from the outside of the fence. Pool code calls for no gaps more than 4 inches. So we have to stay within 4 inches of the ground, or we can also use the deck itself as part of the barrier. So you'll notice between the rail and the deck, we stay within 4 inches. Again, we meet pool code there. Okay, again, this is a very typical pool fence installation. Generally, this is a one-day installation. Guys show up early in the morning. By the end of the day, pool is done, ready to go. We've been doing pool fence in Tucson for 17 years. Deal with most of the local pool builders, contractors, masons, and landscapers. So if you're looking at doing a pool fence around your pool, we'd love to hear from you. You can call the office at 884-5838 or visit us online at affordablefenceandgates.com. Have a great day.